I've had fellow web designers and other business owners asking me, Faith, what are the cheapest domain registrars to use in 2025? I've got you covered on this one because in this video, I'm going to show you the exact websites I've used to get cheapest domain in 2025. If that is what you want, consider watching this video to the end. By the way, if you're new here, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design, and digital marketing. If these are things you vibe for, consider subscribing to my channel. Let's get right into it. Here are the 5 cheapest domain registrars you can ever use in 2025. These are the ones I've tested and I can confidently recommend them any day, anytime. So the first on the list is Spaceship. And on this channel, I have made a video on how to purchase cheapest domain from Spaceship, so you can consider watching that video, and I will also drop the link to this website in the description of this video. Please do well to check the description below to click on them, or you can see that you can actually buy cheapest domain here. Let me quickly search this. Let's see how much it will cost us. And if you watch to the end, I'm also going to show you 4 important things you need to consider before you buy any domain. Please do not purchase any domain until you watch this video. Now you can see that you can purchase this domain for as low as $8.88. This is what it's going to cost you to renew, less than $10. Whereas some other domain registrars will charge you over $17, $18, $16 to renew. But Spaceship will charge you what? $8. And Spaceship is owned by Nameship. It is the cheapest among all of them and my best. I will leave the link to purchase this particular domain from this website here. The second one on my list here is Dino. It is one of the cheapest as well. So let me quickly make a search. Let's see what it looks like to get a domain here. You can get domain here for as low as $10.88. So at the moment you are getting a whole lot. This is for .com domain. You can also look at other domains here to see what it will cost you. With even a coupon, you can get it for affordable rate. Make sure you check out the link to this website in the description of my video. The third one is Unstoppable Domains. This particular domain is mainly for Web3 developers or people who want to build Web3 websites. They have domains that are made for Web3 and also the ones that are made for Web2, whichever one. So you can buy domain for your Web3 project here. So let me quickly make a search too. Here, let's see what it will cost. So you can see .crypto, you have .wallet, .bitcoin. This particular domain registrar supports Web3, and let's see how much it will cost to get a .com domain in Web2. You can see that you're getting this domain for as low as $8. That is for DNS. .com is a DNS top level. This is what it will cost you. Fourth one on my list is Nameship. Nameship has been the oldest and the widely known domain registrar in the world. It is safe to use and you can consider using it. So all the links to these websites will be in my description. You don't have to worry yourself. With Nameship, you are getting this domain for $11, but then you are renewing at $14.9 per year. Pretty on the high side for renewal, and you might consider going for them. And then you can also get this domain for as low as $6.49 with this particular coupon code. Just copy it and use it for the first time, but make sure you're using the link I will drop in the description of this video so that you'll be able to get your discount. The fifth one is called Pogbon. This is one of the best domain or one of the cheapest domain registrars you can use. I will tell you why they are the best towards the end of this video and what you should be careful of when purchasing domain. You can see that with this particular one, for top level domain like .com, you are getting $11 and it renews at the same price. This happens to be one of the cheapest. If you ask my opinion, the cheapest is among all is Spaceship. It renews at less than $10. The second is this is just my honest verdict. This one renews at 11. This Dino renews at 10. I think this is the second, followed by Pogbon. With all of this, you can purchase your domain confidently and build your website. Then here comes the bonus I want to give you. Before you purchase your domain and hosting, there are basically 4 things you should consider. Number 1 is the cost of registration. How cheap is it? You want to go for the best, which is cheaper for you. Number 2 is the cost of a renewal. How much will it cost you to renew? You have to know that before you purchase any domain, so that you don't purchase and it becomes so high for you to renew. Though you have a leverage to either transfer your domain to another domain registrar or still work with the one you are currently hosting with. The third one is the cost of transfer. Some websites will charge you more to transfer. So let's see how much it will cost to transfer here. Let's see how much it will cost to transfer here. But then you can just go to their pricing. Let's go to domain pricing. Can you see that for you to register this domain, you're paying $8.8. You are renewing at $9.8. You are transferring at $9.4. It is still cheap. And we've seen the cost of transfer, renew, and registration for spaceships. Let's go over to Dynadots. It will cost you this. This is in what? In USD. It will cost you this to renew $9.7. So let me quickly switch this to English. I want USD, US dollars. Let's quickly switch to give us in dollars. For top level domain like .com, the cost of registration is 10.88. Renewal is the same amount. Transfer is the same amount. You have 30 days and all of that is fine. Then let's go to this particular one, the unstoppable domains. You can transfer for $5 up. Can you see? You can transfer even up to 500 domains. This is the cost of transfer. So let's go to Namecheap and see what Namecheap offers are. So for .com domain, registering at the cost of $11.28. Renew is $18.4. Transfer is $11.4. These are things you should consider. And then we'll go over to Pokerborn registration for .com. This is .com. This is what it will cost you to register. This is the same amount. So this is what these things will cost you. These are things you should also consider. And the fourth thing you should consider is if they have domain privacy. If a domain registrar does not have domain privacy, please do not purchase, because scammers and spammers will always get your email to spam you till you get tired of it. You want to prevent that, and you don't want your details of your domain or your personal data to be available to people on Whois is just a tool to know the owner of a particular domain. You want to hide your details from the internet. If you want to hide your details, make sure you purchase domain from these platforms, because they have domain privacy and they are easy to actually use. Even to transfer your domain to another particular provider, it's quite easy. It's not going to give you headache, though some may slightly have different durations for their DNS propagation. Some will take 24 hours, some will take 1 hour, some will take 30 minutes, some will take 48 hours, depending on the case. But however, they are the best you can ever use. So if you have any question, please don't forget to ask me in the comment section, and I will be there to answer you. In my next video, I'll be showing you series on how to build websites with WordPress. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. See you in my next video.